All right, it's Monday, October 18th. Not sure exactly what the temperature is yet. It looks like it's about 46 degrees outside right now. And I haven't used this car since yesterday. So we'll do a cold start and see what happens here. And you can see it fires right up. It's gonna have some lights on here for a minute or so while it warms up. That's a cold start. We can hop out here for a second so you can hear it outside the car. Fairly cool, and you can see exhaust is clean. Sounds like back here in the back. Exhaust a little bit. There you go. And then go down here to the front. Give you an idea. Now, usually when I drive it, I let it warm up for at least a minute or so, sometimes longer, just depending. But there's your cold start.